What makes one kitchen feel ordinary while another feels warm, elegant, and undeniably luxurious? It isn't simply the size of the room or the cost of the finishes. More often, it's the cabinet color that quietly shapes the atmosphere of the entire space. The right shade can soften natural light, enrich the beauty of wood and stone, and transform an everyday kitchen into one that feels timeless, welcoming, and beautifully balanced. It's the kind of thoughtful color choice that makes you want to slow down, pour another cup of coffee, and enjoy being at home. In today's countdown, I'll share 10 carefully selected kitchen cabinet colors that create exactly that feeling. And be sure to stay until number 1 because it's the color I believe creates the most refined, calming, and luxurious kitchen of them all. Color number 10, Etiquette. Our journey begins with a color that proves subtlety can be incredibly powerful. Etiquette is a soft, warm neutral that immediately creates a sense of ease. Its gentle undertones soften bright daylight, making the kitchen feel calm rather than overly bright. Instead of drawing attention to itself, it creates visual harmony, allowing the entire room to feel balanced and welcoming. As natural light changes throughout the day, Etiquette develops quiet depth without losing its softness. The result is a kitchen that always feels comfortable, whether you're starting a busy morning or winding down in the evening. It's a color that reminds us true refinement often comes from restraint, not excess. Our next color explores that same sense of calm through a cooler perspective. Color number 9, Raincloud. Raincloud introduces a soft blue-gray that instantly lowers the visual intensity of a kitchen. Its muted undertones create a peaceful atmosphere, helping the room feel organized, open, and surprisingly restful without becoming cold. Morning light reveals its fresh, airy character, while warmer evening light gently softens the gray, giving the cabinetry a richer and more comforting appearance. That subtle transformation keeps the kitchen feeling interesting throughout the day without ever becoming dramatic. Because it naturally reduces visual noise, Raincloud is especially effective in busy kitchens, creating a space that feels quieter, more relaxed, and easier to enjoy. It's a gentle reminder that calm often begins with color rather than decoration. Next, we'll move toward a deeper shade that adds confidence while preserving the same welcoming character. Color number 8, Stardew. If Raincloud creates calm through softness, Stardew achieves it through depth. Its rich blue-gray tone gives cabinetry greater visual presence without making the room feel smaller. The balanced undertones absorb light gently, creating subtle dimension that changes from morning to evening. In bright daylight, Stardew feels composed and refined. As the light becomes warmer later in the day, it reveals a softer side that makes the kitchen feel more intimate and comfortable. That ability to shift naturally is what gives the color lasting appeal. Rather than overwhelming the space, Stardew creates a quiet sense of confidence, proving that deeper colors can feel just as welcoming as lighter ones. Our next color takes the opposite approach, showing how freshness and lightness can create an equally memorable kitchen. Color number 7, Harbor Haze. Some colors make a kitchen feel larger without changing a single wall. Harbor Haze is one of them. Its delicate blend of gray with soft blue-green undertones creates an airy, open feeling that never appears cold. Instead, it reflects light gently, giving the room a brighter and more relaxed atmosphere throughout the day. In the morning, Harbor Haze feels fresh and quietly uplifting. As daylight softens toward evening, the color becomes warmer and more comforting, making the kitchen feel peaceful without losing its light character. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants a space that feels calm, effortless, and naturally inviting. Our next color builds on that balance while introducing a little more warmth. Color number 6, Luxe. Luxe is a refined greige that finds the perfect middle ground between warm and cool. That balance is what gives it such lasting appeal. Its subtle undertones respond beautifully to changing light. Bright daylight brings out its clean, airy quality, while evening lighting adds gentle warmth and depth without making the cabinetry feel heavy. The result is a kitchen that feels consistent, comfortable, and easy to live with from morning until night. Luxe also softens visual contrast, helping the entire room feel more connected and harmonious. Rather than following trends, it creates a timeless sense of balance that quietly elevates the space. Our next color moves closer to nature, offering a softer and more grounded experience. Color number 5, Perennial Green. Perennial green brings the quiet comfort of nature into the kitchen without overpowering the space. Its muted green undertones create a calming atmosphere that helps the room feel grounded and relaxed. Unlike brighter greens, this shade remains gentle, making it easy to enjoy every day without becoming overwhelming. Natural daylight reveals its fresh botanical character, while warmer evening light introduces a softer, cozier appearance. That gradual shift gives the cabinetry a sense of life, allowing the kitchen to feel welcoming in every season. Perennial green proves that color doesn't have to be bold to make a lasting impression. Sometimes the most comforting spaces are created by shades that simply help us slow down. Next, we'll explore a deeper tone that brings even greater presence and architectural character. Color number 4, Thunder. By this point in our countdown, color begins to shape more than mood. It begins to define the room itself. Thunder is a rich, smoky gray that adds depth without making a kitchen feel dark. Its balanced undertones absorb light gently, creating stronger definition while maintaining a calm, welcoming atmosphere. During the day, thunder appears smooth and composed. As evening light becomes warmer, the color gains a softer richness that makes the kitchen feel more intimate and settled. This natural shift gives the cabinetry lasting character without ever feeling overpowering. Thunder shows that deeper colors don't need to feel dramatic. When carefully balanced, they create confidence, presence, and a sense of quiet permanence. Our next color takes the opposite approach, using light itself to create warmth. Color number 3, Origami White. Origami White proves that a white kitchen doesn't have to feel cold or stark. Its soft, warm undertones reflect daylight with remarkable gentleness, creating brightness that feels comfortable rather than overwhelming. Instead of producing sharp contrast, the color fills the room with a quiet sense of openness. Throughout the day, Origami White responds beautifully to changing light. Morning sunshine highlights its fresh clarity, while evening lighting reveals a warmer, more relaxed character. That subtle transformation helps the kitchen feel inviting from sunrise to nightfall. Its greatest strength is its quiet consistency. It never dominates the room, yet it always makes the space feel lighter, calmer, and effortlessly welcoming. Our next color introduces even greater warmth while preserving that same sense of comfort. Color number 2, French Canvas. French canvas creates the kind of warmth people notice the moment they walk into a kitchen. Its creamy beige undertones soften the entire room, creating an atmosphere that feels welcoming without appearing overly traditional. The color gently reflects both natural and artificial light, giving the cabinetry a quiet glow that changes beautifully throughout the day. Morning light brings a fresh softness, while evening illumination adds depth that makes the space feel relaxed and comforting. That balance allows the kitchen to remain inviting in every season and at every hour. French canvas never relies on boldness to make an impression. Instead, it builds warmth through harmony, preparing us perfectly for our final color, the one that brings together everything we've explored throughout this journey. Color number 1, Mizzle. Some colors never reveal everything at once. Mizzle is one of them. Its unique blend of soft green, gentle gray, and the faintest touch of blue gives the kitchen a living quality that changes naturally with the light. Morning daylight brings a fresh, airy feeling. By afternoon, subtle green undertones become more noticeable, adding quiet warmth. In the evening, the color settles into a calm, comforting presence that makes the entire room feel peaceful. What makes Mizzle so memorable is its remarkable balance. It feels fresh without being cool, warm without becoming heavy, and distinctive without demanding attention. Few cabinet colors adapt so effortlessly throughout the day, while maintaining such a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. That's why Mizzle earns our number 1 position. Not because it's the boldest choice, but because it creates a kitchen that feels calm, balanced, and genuinely enjoyable to live in. The most memorable kitchens aren't defined by bold colors or passing trends. They're defined by how they make you feel every time you walk into the room. Whether you prefer the warmth of French canvas, the soft brightness of Origami White, or the quiet balance of Mizzle, each of these cabinet colors offers its own unique personality. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more timeless color inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.